This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Grace Brown. Great property for inventors or for first-time home buyers. Nice sized rooms, open floor plan, views of the serene marsh. Secluded street, on a cul-de-sac. Backyard fenced, ideal for small child or dog. Loads of potential, established central neighborhood, conveniently located for all of Hampton Roads. Initially there will be lots of boxes around as current tenant is packing up to move out. For more information, review the details below.